If the problem with the washer is that when you turn it on, the water just trickles in and it takes forever to fill the tub, you need to check the water valve filters first. Disconnect the washer from the wall outlet and turn the water faucets off. Put a towel under the fill hoses to catch any water drips, and remove the 2 fill hoses from the water valve. Remove the water valve filters to clean them or to replace them. To install these type of filters, I put them on a 1/2-inch socket wrench, then I push them right in. To remove this type, use a pair of needle nose pliers, grab them and pull them right out. To install them, grab them with a needle nose pliers and push them right in. Connect the 2 fill hoses to the water valve. Open the water faucets. Turn the washer on and check and see how good is the water pressure now. The water pressure should be okay now. If the water pressure stays the same with clean filters, you need to replace the water valve. That was the way to check, clean, and replace the water valve filters.